Hello friends, how are you? I am Yaten Sharma through my channel Toilsome Tutorials YSMC. Today I will discuss about two topics of differential equation. These are very important topics. First one is homogeneous differential equation and second one is non-homogeneous differential equation. Non-homogeneous differential equation also called as equation reducible to homogeneous. These topics are very important for the students who are studying in class 12th and also for students who are studying in BSc and BCA classes or engineering classes. Okay, let's start. First we discuss about homogeneous differential equation. What is the form of homogeneous differential equation? Form is dy over dx equal to f1 xy f2 xy. f1 and f2 are two functions, both are functions of x and y. How we identify the given differential equation is a homogeneous differential equation. First of all, any equation which is given to us reduce in this form, yani dy over dx equal to f1 xy upon f2 xy. Then we see in f1 and f2, if each term of f1 and f2 are of same degree, then the differential equation is a homogeneous differential equation. Again, if each term of f1 and f2 are of same degree, then equation is called a homogeneous differential equation. See by example, dy over dx equal to x square plus y square upon 2xy. See here, degree of x square 2, here degree of y 2, this term x into y, degree of x 1, degree of y 1, combined degree 2. So degree of this term 2, degree of this term 2, degree of this term is 2. So each term have the same degree, therefore it is homogeneous differential equation. How we solve the homogeneous differential equation? After identifying, to solve this equation, let y equal to vx. Differentiate with respect to x. dy over dx. Differential of vx solved by product rule. V as it is, differentiation of x 1 plus x as it is, differentiation of v dv over dx. Put this value in first. dy over dx, value of dy over dx is v plus x dv over dx. So here we put value of dy over dx. f1 x, value of y vx, f2 x vx. Solve it by variable separable method. So further we solve it by variable separable method. See it, degree 2, degree 2, degree 2. It is a differential equation, homogeneous differential equation. Solve it. Let y equal to vx. Differential with respect to x. dy over dx equal to v plus x dv over dx. Put in first. v plus x dv over dx equal to x square. Value of v, vx. v square x square upon 2x into vx. x square common, 1 plus v square, x square into 2v. x square cancel. Then we get x dv over dx equal to 1 plus v square upon 2v minus v. 1 plus v square, LCM 2b, then it become 2b square upon 2b. So 1 minus v square upon 2b. x dv over dx. By separating variable, we get dv. So 2b upon 1 minus v square dv and 1 upon x dx. On integrating, two v upon 1 minus v square dv equal to 1 upon x dx. Differentiation of denominator minus 2b. So numerator is the differentiation of denominator with negative sign. Then it becomes log 1 minus v square minus bar log x. We have to put constant any side because both terms are in log, therefore we also put constant in form of log. So log c equal to log x. This one transform other side plus 1 minus log 1 minus v square. Log c equal to log a plus log b. Log ab, then we get 1 minus v square. C equal to x 1 minus v square. Put value of v. Value of v from here. V equal to y upon x. V equal to y upon x. C equal to x 1 minus y square upon x square. Okay. C equal to x 1 minus y square upon x square. X, it can be written as x square minus y square upon x square. X cancel. Multiply this x in C. Cx equal to x square minus y square. This is the answer. Let's see second example on homogeneous differential equation. X into x minus y dy equal to y x plus y dx. First we reduce this form into standard form dy over dx equal to y x plus y upon x minus y. Multiply it into, then we get xy y square upon x square minus xy. See it, degree of this term 2, degree of this term 2, degree of this term 2, degree of this term 2. So it is homogeneous differential equation. Then let y equal to vx differential with respect to x, dy over dx equal to v plus x dv over dx. Put in first dy over dx, replace y v plus x dv over dx. X into vx, value of y v square x square minus x vx. Common is x square v plus v square, x square common 1 minus v, cancel x square. Then we get x dv over dx equal to v plus v square 1 minus v minus v. This v plus v square, multiply it, minus v plus v square upon 1 minus v. We cancel out, then we get 2v square upon 1 minus v. By separating वेरिएबल्स, वेरिएबल सेपरेट करिए. 1 माइनस v अपॉन 2v स्क्वायर dv equal to 1 upon x dx. After separating the variable, integrate it, integral. For it, 1 minus 2v square v upon 2v square dv equal to 1 upon x dx. 1 upon 2 common, 1 upon v square minus 1 upon v dv equal to 1 upon x dx. 1 upon 2 v raised to power minus 2 minus 1 upon v dv 1 upon x dx. 1 upon 2 integration of v raised to power minus 2. So minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 upon minus 1. Log v equal to log x constant c. Okay. Now see, multiply to this side, then we get 1 upon v minus log v equal to 2 log x plus 2c. Minus 1 upon v minus log v, it can be written log x square, plus it is constant, then I write it c1. 1 upon v, c1 take this side, equal to log x square into log plus log v, log vx square. What value of v? Or it can be written as vx square is equals to e raised to power minus 1 upon v into e raised to power minus c1. E raised to power this, I separate it, e raised to power minus 1 upon b into e raised to power c1. This is constant, and put value of v. Value of v, y upon x. Y upon x into x square equal to e raised to power y upon x, तो minus x upon y into c2 कर, c2 x, then we get xy equal to e raised to power minus x upon y into c2. Okay. Now we will discuss about non-homogeneous differential equation or equation reducible to homogeneous. Form is dy over dx equal to ax plus by plus c upon ax plus by plus c. These are small abc, these are capital ABC. Any real number can be put in place of ABC and ABC. See, if we hide this C, then degree of each term is 1. It is homogeneous, but it is absolute constant C. The degree of this term is 0. Then it becomes degree of this 1, degree of this 1, degree of this 0, degree of this 1, degree of this 1, degree of this 0. So it is non-homogeneous. If we hide C, then it becomes homogeneous. Then we have to find value of C. Yeah, or reduce it in such form that it becomes an homogeneous. For it, we consider small x equal to capital X plus h and small y equal to capital Y plus k. dy dx equal to dx, ये तो 0, dy equal to dy, then dy over dx replace by dy over dx. Put in first dy over dx, this replace by this, a x plus h, b y plus k plus c upon a x plus h, b y plus k plus c. take variable in one bracket and constants in other bracket. Variables are ax plus by in one bracket. Constants are ah plus bk plus c upon ax plus by in one bracket ah plus bk plus c in other bracket. Equation number 2. Let the constant part equal to 0. Let ah plus bk plus c equal to 0. ah plus bk plus c equal to 0. These are two linear equations with h and k. Solve and find values of h and k. By solving these linear equations, we can find values of h and k. Put in first. These values put in second. Then we get dy over dx equal to ax plus by upon ax plus by. Okay. Degree of this term 1, degree of this term 1, degree of this term 1, degree of this term 1. But here variables are in capital form. Okay. This is a homogeneous differential equation. Solve it by using method of homogeneous differential equation, as taking y equal to vx capital. After solving it, we put value of v. After that, we put value of capital X and capital Y in small x and y. ओके, यहां से वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं. वैल्यू ऑफ कैपिटल एक्स एक्स माइनस एच, वैल्यू ऑफ कैपिटल वाई वाई माइनस के. ओके, तो आफ्टर it will be solved by using let's see an example on non-homogeneous differential equation or the differential equation reducible to homogeneous form. Example is 2x minus y plus 1 dx plus 2y minus x minus 1 into dy equal to 0. First we reduce it in standard form. 2x minus y plus 1 into dx equal to 2y minus x minus 1 into dy minus. Then we get dy over dx equal to 2x minus y plus 1 upon minus 2y minus x minus 1. Or it can be reduced 2x minus y plus 1 upon x plus 1 minus 2y. Okay. dy over dx equal to 2x minus y plus 1 upon x minus 2y plus 1. First, let x equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k, dx equal to dx, dy equal to dy, dy over dx equal to dy over dx. Put in first. Then we get dy over dx equal to 2 x plus h minus y plus k plus 1 upon x plus h minus 2 into y plus k plus 1. Now take variable in one bracket and constants in other bracket. 2x minus y in one bracket plus 2h minus k plus 1. X minus 2y in one bracket, h minus 2k plus 1 in other bracket. This is second equation. According to method, let constant part equal to 0, 2h minus k plus 1 equal to 0, h minus 2k plus 1 equal to 0. Solve these equations. If we multiply by 2 and minus, multiply by 2, 2h and 4h, 4h minus h, 3h, minus 2k plus 2k, cancel, plus 2 minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Then we get h equal to minus 1 by 3. Put value of h in first, minus 2 by 3 minus k plus 1 equal to 0. So minus 2 by 3 plus 1 equal to k. K equal to 1 by 3. Sorry. We get value of h minus 1 by 3 and value of k plus 1 by 3. Note it. Put these values in second, then we get dy over dx equal to 2x minus y upon x minus 2y. It becomes 0. After putting these values, it becomes 0. This is equation number 3. Degree 1, degree 1, degree 1, degree 1. Each term has degree 1. So it is homogeneous differential equation. So put y equal to vx, dy over dx equal to v plus x dv over dx. Put in third, v plus x dv over dx equal to 2x vx x minus 2 vx. X common, 2 minus v upon x common, 1 minus 2v. X cancel. Then we get x dv over dx equal to 2 minus v upon 1 minus 2v. This v minus v. Okay. It is long method. Keep patience. Short trick of this method is very small. You can solve this question by short trick only in 5 seconds. For short trick, you can see video on my channel. For it, I have made another video. Then x dv over dx equal to 2 minus v plus 2b square upon 1 minus 2b. Then we get 2 minus 2b plus 2b square upon 1 minus 2b. 2 common, v square minus v plus 1 upon minus common, then we can write it 2b minus 1 by separating variables. 2b minus 1 upon v square minus v plus 1 dv equal to minus 2 upon x dx. Okay, integrate it. See here, denominator is v square minus v plus 1, differential 2b minus 1. So numerator is the differential of denominator, then its integral log denominator v square minus v plus 1 equal to minus 2 1 upon x integration log x plus this one is in log, it is also in log, so constant also in log. Log v square minus v plus 1, it can be written minus log x square plus log c. Log v square minus v plus 1 plus log x square, this one transform this side, equal to log c. Log a plus log b, log ab, then we get log v square minus v plus 1 into x square equal to log c. After it we can reduce log. Then we get v square minus v plus 1 into x square equal to c, capital X. Put value of v, y upon x, y square upon x square minus y upon x plus 1 into x square equal to c. LCM x square, y square minus xy plus x square upon x square into x square equal to c. Cancel. Then we get x square plus y square minus xy equal to c. Put values of capital X and capital Y. Since small x equal to x plus h, small y equal to capital Y plus k. H equal to x minus h, y equal to y minus k. Value of h minus 1 by 3 or value of k 1 by 3. So capital X equal to x plus 1 by 3 or capital Y equal to y minus 1 by 3. Put in this x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus y minus 1 by 3 whole square plus minus x plus 1 by 3 y minus 1 by 3 equal to 0. Solve it. X square plus y square plus 2ax, तो 2 by 3x minus 2 by 3 y minus xy minus y by 3 . xy minus xy minus okay multiply of this xy बाहर minus xy minus x by 3 minus y by 3 plus x by 3 plus 1 by 9 और 1 by 9 and 1 by 9 of this plus 2 by 9 2 by 9 when we open the whole square we get x square plus 1 by 9 so 1 by 9 of it 1 by 9 of it 2 by 9 here equal to 0. It is very long method. Then we get x square plus y square plus x by 3 or 2 by 3x plus x minus y minus xy plus 1 by 3 equal to 0. This is the answer. This is too long method. Now see another case of non-homogeneous differential equation. Case is dy over dx. This case is much short in comparison of last case. That is very too long. See x minus y plus 3. 2 common x minus y plus 5. This is the case when we get same bracket in numerator and denominator after taking some value common. Okay, here we get x minus y, here we get x minus y. This is the special case when both brackets in numerator and denominator are same. Then let the bracket x minus y equal to v. Differential 1 minus dy over dx equal to dv over dx. Then we get dy over dx equal to 1 minus dv over dx. Put in first 1 minus dv over dx equal to v plus 3 2v plus 5. Then we get dv over dx equal to 1 minus v plus 3 upon 2v plus 5. Further we get 2v plus 5 minus v minus 3 upon 2v plus 5. Then we get v plus 2 upon 2v plus 5. Okay. So dv over dx or variable separate by separating variable by separating variables. Then we get 2v plus 5 upon v plus 2. dv equal to dx. It can be written 2v plus 4 plus 1 upon v plus 2. dv equal to dx. 2v plus 2 plus 1 upon v plus 2. dv equal to dx. On integrating, separated this upon this 2 plus 1 upon v plus 2. dv equal to dx. On integrating this 2v, this log v plus 2 equal to x plus c. Put value of v. Value of v, x minus y. So 2x minus 2y plus log x minus y plus 2 equal to x plus c. Transfer this x this side, then we get only x minus 2y plus log x minus y plus 2 equal to c. This one the answer. This case is much short in comparison that, but it apply only in a particular case when after taking common bracket of variables in numerator and bracket of variables in denominator both are same. Okay, note it. If you think video is good, like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel Toilsome Tutorials YSMC, and also press the bell icon so that you can get notification very quickly. Okay, thank you.